Let's do glute bridges while you're marching. Actually, one of my favorite tools. I'm using it a lot with my clients right now to help them learn how to use their glutes and their lower back together and introduce some type of instability to it. I like doing this one with my feet together. You can have your feet a little bit wider, but that's going to be way harder on your balance. You want your feet about halfway there towards your butt. What I mean by that is if this is fully lengthened out, I want to be halfway, so halfway bent, all right? I'm going to make sure I'm not flat on my back either. When I come up onto the glute bridge, I want to get up to the top of my shoulders like so, just like that. So I'm going to start at the top of the glute bridge. Some people like their toes up, some people like their toes flat. Me personally as a coach, I think that comes down to personal preference. You want to make sure you also work your shoulder into the ground so you're not shrugging, okay? You're going to get nice and high onto the bridge. Glute is engaged. And from here, what you're going to do is lift one leg up to your hip level without losing hip height. So I'm going to lift this knee like so, and I'm going to try to keep my butt nice and high in the sky. I'm going to march to the other leg, just like that, okay? You might have to adjust in between every rep to maintain that height. There's no need for you to like rush through, and you'll end up like dropping hip height over the repetition. Stay nice and tall, reset in between, just like so. Thank you for joining me on this one. We'll see you next time.